Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a spread for the new BTS song Black Swan, and it is the first single from their new album, and it was also released with an art film where dancers were dancing to this song. BTS were not actually in it. It was just a dance group doing like a contemporary dance to the song. It was very beautiful and somewhat heartbreaking, but like in a beautiful way, if that makes sense. And I really enjoyed it a lot. I love the song. It's like, I don't know, on my first listen I was like, oh, I like this song, but it didn't like really grow on me until I started listening to it a lot, and I looked at the lyrics, and then I was like, okay, I am obsessed with this song. What is scary to me is that this is just the first single and I already love it so much. Like, it's so good. So what is the rest of the album gonna be like? Like, I'm terrified in the best of ways. And yes, I am still doing the paper ripping method, okay? I don't know, I just like it. So when I was deciding which pictures to use for this spread, I decided that I didn't want to only use screen caps from the music video, partially because BTS isn't in it and I wanted to use pictures of BTS, and also because a lot of parallels stuck out to me between this dance and the title of the song and some of the visuals from Blood, Sweat, and Tears. It's not like that deep. I'm sure that people have much deeper theories about how it could possibly connect. I'm sure that it doesn't actually connect. I don't think that this art film or this song is part of any of that, but you know, sometimes it's kind of fun to make connections, and I personally love Blood, Sweat, and Tears. It was my first BTS music video, and also I am obsessed with wings. Like, it's just like a thing that I really like, and the concept of like fallen angels and stuff, which is kind of what was going on with Tae, but also just the fact that this song is about a swan, and like the contemporary dance moves were very much meant to imitate a swan and like wings. So I used some photos of Tae, like when he has like his wings, like the scars from his wings being removed, and also Jin kind of like walking towards and looking at the statue with the wings on it. It's really mostly just aesthetic. I just think that they look cool together and they just fit the vibe of the song. And so that's kind of the two different things that I base my color scheme off of, because the Black Swan art film is very like blue and like teal green colors, and then these parts of Blood, Sweat, and Tears are very like tans and blacks and whites colors. So I combined those two together, and I actually really love how it turned out. And yes, I did my Polaroid method with two of these pictures. If there's anything that I love, it is ripped edges of paper and fake Polaroids. Also, if you're new here, yes, I very frequently rip pages out of Dear John by Nicholas Sparks for aesthetic purposes. Please don't be triggered. I read a lot and I really love books, but this book has the movie cover on it, which I'm not really a fan of, and I was gonna give this book away, and I didn't actually have any scrapbook paper that looked like book paper, so I started using this book for that purpose. I am so sorry if that is upsetting to you, but it just had to be done. So here is the final spread. I'm kind of obsessed with this one. I really like it a lot. I'm really proud of it. So if you also liked it and you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, stay on BTS, stream Black Swan, and I will see you guys next time.